Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Of course, I had already started working on a couple of bracelets. This is one of the ones. I worked on this one earlier when I took my lunch break. So what I did is took one of the glass beads and I wrapped it in some wire. And I think you guys have seen me do this before. And there is a video. I'll put that video somewhere um, in the corner where you can click on that and see that one. And I also will put the link in the description. So I used some of the color beads and I used some of the beads, boho beads that I had bought a couple months back. I want to say the end of last year, but sometime last year. And then I also used a couple of these little small beads that I used for those other earrings. And then we have a little charm. So I think this came out really nice. Nice and bulky. So I have that one. And then I made this one. Not necessarily to go with it, but just made it. I thought it was really nice. And again, because you know I love the color beads. And I knew I was going to do quite a bit, you know, with them. So I'm going to make a, that's nice. And this might end up being a set. So what I was doing is sitting here making a third bracelet. And I am going to just kind of finish that one up. I figured since I was sitting here and I was working on the earrings, I would go ahead and finish beading this bracelet. So this is kind of like the third bracelet. Not sure. I don't know if I'm going to make it a set or not. I might make it a set and then I might just sell them all separate. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So with this bracelet, I am going to, I think I'm going to just go ahead and finish it with, let me see. I might want to put one of these beads on just to see what it looks like. So it gives it a really nice look. And then I'll finish it off. I'll put a color bead on each side. So whatever color we put, that's what we're going to use. Put this one here. And then we'll put the orange one. And then see how that looks. I like that. And then I'll finish it off with these wood beads. I need to order some more of these wood beads. I'm surprised they lasted as long as they did. So I'm going to go ahead and just beat them. Finish it off. And I hope everybody is doing good. I'm a little tired. It's about 9. It's almost 10 o'clock right now. And if I tell you, I've just been working like all day. Like all day. Non-stop. And I've been up since about 4:45 this morning. And haven't stopped yet. So no sooner than I finish with this video, I'm going to upload it. And then I am going to, I have a book that I'm going to read myself to sleep with. That's a good probably hour, maybe hour and a half before I actually go to sleep. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Looks like a lot of bracelet. And if I tie it, it's a little big. So that means there's too many beads on it. That's pretty. All that color. So I'm going to take one of the beads off. And we'll see if it's as small as I want it to look. Well, not small, but like it's not. So if it fits my wrist or it's a little bit bigger, I like for it to be a little bit bigger than on my wrist. That way when it's stacked, you know, whoever buys it, when they stack it, there's room for the bracelet to slide up the wrist or the arm without you starting to see the cord. So that's why I always make it a little bit bigger. And then plus women who are full size, I like to give it a little bit more length to it as well. So with this, I'm going to go ahead and tie it off. I'm going to tie it one time, one, nice and snug. And then I'm going to do it twice, one, two. I'm going to pull it nice and snug. And then I'll do another one. And some people burn their ends. And that's fine for you to do if that's what you want to do. I just happen not to do it. I've been making bracelets long enough to where I don't have them coming loose when I do it this way. So I'm going to do one, and then two, and then pull it nice and snug. And then I'll do one more, nice and snug. And then I'm going to go ahead and clip it. And then whichever hole is the biggest, I'm going to pull that in to hide it. And then this is really pretty. Look at that. That is really pretty. I really like this. Really, really nice. And then let's try this one. I was going to put charms. I don't think I'm going to put charms. And even with this one, I thought about putting more charms than the one that I put. And I'm like, nah, I'm not going to do it on this one. Everything can't have a whole bunch of charms. So I think these came out really nice. Really, really nice. And I got one more of these glass beads. And what I'm going to do, I went out to Michael's. I think I said that in the other video. And I didn't see any of these glass beads. And I know that's where I got this bead from. So I'm going to go out there this coming up Saturday and see if they've restocked their inventory. Because they were just like almost butt naked on all the beads. And I was like, who been up in here buying up all the beads? Okay. I mean, like beads, charms, everything was missing in action. And I was just like, wow. But I did go to Joann's. Joann's, like I said, theirs was $3.99 a strand. I did see a couple other ones I thought about after the fact that I might go up there Saturday and grab a couple of them and see. But this one in particular, this glass bead, I like this, and I like it because I can wrap it. And it would be nice if I could find them in different colors. So if anybody knows where I can find these glass beads, this particular glass bead, let me see, right here in different colors, let me know so I can purchase some. Because I like these, especially when I wrap them in the wire. And if I could find them in different colors, I'll wrap them in different color wire just to give them, you know, a whole nother look. But that's these. I think they came out really nice. I'm happy with them. So tomorrow I'll probably work on more because I have, you know, some more color beads. And I just love these color beads for some reason. And it could be just the color. But these came out really nice. Nice, nice, nice. I'm happy with this one. I like this one. Now, see, this one makes me want to make a couple more like this. And I do have some more of the long beads. So I might be able to do that with the color beads. And you know what? And I think I am going to do that. I'm going to make more of these because I like these. And I'll just make them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got enough to do 7. So that means it'll be 7 in a case. So I'll just do all of these, put them on fair.com, and then have them 7 to a case because I like this one so much. So that's what I'm going to do. I really like this one. That's really pretty. Really, really nice. All right, family. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody is staying creative and just making some things happen and just kind of living life, you know, the best that God will allow you to do and your circumstances will allow you to do and your creativity will allow you to do. All right. So we'll talk soon.